In this video, we'll go over livepeer. What are the coin's fundamentals? And what price we may expect it to hit by the end of this year. With a massive rise in crypto popularity, the cryptocurrency markets have definitely seen a change in the past few years. With the rise of meme coins and NFTs, cryptocurrency itself has now taken the attention worldwide, and we are now seeing a new market cycle in the crypto space. Before we begin, we are having a 700 XRP coin giveaway. To enter, all you need to do is give this video a like, subscribe to the channel, comment down below, livepeer to the moon. And we'll announce the winner on September the 31st. Now, let's get right to the video. Imagine throwing $100 and turning that into over $10,000 overnight. Well, that's exactly what's happened with many people who have dabbled into cryptocurrency. There have also been cases of people buying a monkey JPEG for only $300 and flipping it on the market for over $400,000 just 6 months later. So how can one be sure of an insane return from an investment? By simply looking at a coin's fundamentals, it can make the world of a change from investing into something that will hit rock bottom or go straight to the moon. For this coin, many believe that a 10 to 50x can be very attainable as long as the coin follows through with a roadmap and enhances the network. So, what is livepeer? Launched in 2017, livepeer is the first live video streaming network protocol that is fully decentralized. The platform aims to become a viable blockchain-based, economically efficient alternative to centralized broadcasting solutions for all new and existing broadcaster companies. As stated in the official livepeer white paper, the live video streaming and broadcasting industry is growing at a rapid pace, and the company is looking to ride this wave and introduce decentralization to the environment. Livepeer aims to streamline the broadcasting process by allowing producers to submit their work on the platform, taking care of reformatting and distributing the content to users and streaming platforms. To make an accurate prediction, first we need to look at the efficiency of the coin and any updates it might currently have. Livepeer is a unique project because it aims to revolutionize the broadcasting industry by employing the powers of blockchain technology. The open-source platform allows users and developers to participate in the management and improvement of the platform freely. The growing capabilities of digital cameras for producing high-quality video content drive the development of the broadcasting industry, and livepeer aims to further boost this process by allowing users to benefit from decentralized computing power and crypto-economic incentives for bootstrapping and participation. Livepeer is becoming a leading industry platform as it allows users to participate in numerous ways. The platform offers opportunities for pay-as-you-go content consumption, auto-scaling social video services, uncensorable live journalism, and video-enabled dApps. Livepeer is transforming the live video streaming process and is on the road to becoming an industry leader. Considering all mass adoption takes place and Bitcoin having hit all of its consolidation periods, we can see the price hitting $30 by the end of the year. Having all this in mind and what the founders are doing, we can easily see the coin hit another 10 to 20x by 2025. Remember that the best way to make money with any investment is to be patient with your investments and let them grow over time. Comment down below for any cryptocurrency price prediction you'd like next. Remember, one should always do their own research when investing into anything. We are proud to provide any updates on cryptocurrency coins, but should not be taken as financial advice. If you liked the video, give this video a thumbs up as it helps our community.